Wide, gentle runs, blue skies and a Japanese spa. We're on our skis and hitting the slopes right here on Drone and Phone. Welcome to a new series of Drone and Phone. We're just north of Beijing in a place called Chongli. We're going to bring you 5 episodes of skiing from this place. It's a great alternative to Japan or Korea if you're based in Hong Kong or anywhere in the world, in fact. What are we going to be doing today?
Today we're at Dolomiti Ski Resort. This is in northern China, Zhangjiakou, Hebei province. Easy slope, but minus 14 degrees.
Yeah, there's only about 6 runs on this one, so it's going to be a nice easy start, but great if you're learning skiing. It's a beautiful day. Let's get going, Jack. Over the last 10 years, there's been an impressive growth of ski resorts around China, which now provide a real alternative to other ski destinations in Asia. In this series, we review 5 resorts in the Chongli district, just north of Beijing. In the last episode, we'll show you how to get there, navigate the hotels, rent equipment, and get the best deals.
So you're looking at about 24,000.
For full transparency, we were given free ski passes for this series, but were not paid to promote it. The review is an honest opinion from 2 seasoned intermediate skiers. In the first episode, we head to Dolomiti Ski Resort, one of the oldest in the region. Built back in 2006, the resort now prides itself on offering some of the best deals in the region. It's small but family friendly, and a great place to learn to ski and treat yourself to a spa at the end of the day. It's also well set up for foreigners.
So there's even a special window for the foreigners? For you.
As we will find in all the resorts, checking in, picking up a ski pass and getting set up with the equipment is simple and fast.
What's your size?
46.
一个43，一个46。
Once set up with the equipment, we are out the door and ready to start the day. The resort has a total of 9 kilometres of ski slopes, 8 of which are easy or intermediate. There are 2 main lifts taking you to 2 separate summits around 2,000 metres. All the slopes are wide and beginner friendly. We were told the widest in the area, which is great for Jack. Well, this looks like a nice easy run to start. Nice and wide, quite easy, and the snow looks great as well. So we're starting off on what looks like a fairly easy run. Let's see how Jack's doing. Here he goes.
The snow is slightly different. You can see it's a bit of artificial made, but the ground is really open.
There is a large, gentle slope for people learning to ski. They have some New Zealand instructors who can teach in English. We also found some more serious sportsmen taking advantage of the cheaper rates, fewer crowds and international instructors. Tell me, what's your name?
Harry.
Harry, how is the ski here?
Just not many people.
No.
And it's easy to ski here.
Is it good for snowboarding?
Here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Where's your favourite place in Chongli to ski?
Wanlong.
Wanlong.
Yes.
Yeah. We will be covering Wanlong and 3 other resorts in the coming episodes. Questions from that first rundown?
It's so wide, the course, yeah?
It seems like this is really well. We've only done 1 of 6 long runs. Nice length, very wide, great for beginners.
Yeah.
Quite easy. There's only 1 black run which we'll have a go at later today. Most of the others are all
He will,
blue.
not me.
Okay, I'll have a go later. So there are basically two sides to this resort. We've been up one on that. There's 2 blues and 1 black run. We haven't done the black run yet. Jack's a little bit scared of that. Now we're going up the other side. This is the learner area you can see behind me here, where they have a carpet lift and in fact another carpet lift going up to the slightly more advanced one. So plenty of space to learn here, some good facilities. Lovely on a day like today as well. We're going to take this drag up a bit further, which will bring us to the next chairlift, and that will take us to the other side. Now on the other side there's 3 blue runs as far as I can see on the map, and we'll tick them off one by one. As I said, so far skiing's been very pleasant, very easygoing, nothing too challenging, but as I said before, probably a really nice place to come and learn to ski. The resort is a little way from the main town, so without a car you're limited to the hotel facilities and restaurants. Perfect if you want a secluded getaway, but not so good if après-ski is important to you.
The buffet lunch costs $68 until 2 o'clock. I think it's about 2 hours. You can eat 68 RMB per person.
The main hotel has 3 restaurants and other options at the resort, including a coffee chalet at the top. So we just stopped for a coffee, a little place here. Lovely views across the mountain, a beautiful day today. You can see fantastic views from here. One of the benefits of being on this run, very similar to skiing in a lot of places actually, where you get a chalet right at the very top. And on a nice day like this, it really adds to the experience. The hotel has a Japanese-style hot springs, which are a great way to end the day on the slopes. This is included in many of the packages, or can be accessed at an additional charge. Well, that's it for this episode. Beautiful day today. We're not sure we're going to get this weather for the rest of the episodes. It's starting to cloud over a little bit now. How's it been for you, Jack?
It's not cold, and it's also super sunny today. We're lucky. Really enjoy the slope. Not as hard as I thought.
Not that difficult. It's very, very nice, actually very easy, great for a family. Now if you're finding this for the first time, we're going to have 4 more episodes from Chongli, so stick with us. You'll also find all our other episodes nicely catalogued on our website at droneophone.com and on our YouTube channel. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Jack.
And this is Drone and Phone! End of the day, Jack, how do you feel?
This is the best recovery you have after a full day ski. Fantastic.